Hello everyone, I'm Santhosh Kumar. In this particular video, we are going to talk about Python library called phonenumbers. To describe, it is a Python version of Google's common library for parsing, formatting, and validating international phone numbers. The problem for this video is how to find the country of the phone number or the mobile number provided country code. It all takes just 2 to 3 lines of code. Let's start coding. I have a folder on my desktop called Python. So within this folder, I'm creating a new file called phone.py. Here I am typing a first line. I am just importing a module called a library called phone numbers. What's the typo? I'm saving it. So it will throw you error if phone number package is not available in your local library system. So to install that, go to terminal, take a new terminal. Here type pip. Pip3 is a pip installer. Pip3 install phone numbers. Hit enter. So if it's already available, it says requirement already satisfied. If it's not, it will download it for you. I'm clearing the screen. So once after done installing phone numbers, you need to create an object. So I'm taking a variable I and a phone numbers module. I'm creating an object using a parse function. It takes 2 arguments. So it takes just a string a format of a mobile number. In my case, I'm in India, so I'm +91 88922213452 is my personal number, and the second argument is none. So I'm gonna save this and let me print this I for you. I'm going to run let's ls. So I have a phone.py file. So python 3 space phone py. Hit enter. It says country code is 91 and the national number, this is the mobile number. So now our problem is to find from where this number is located. I mean the location of this number. So to find that, we from phone numbers we need to import geocoder. Is a child module of it. So geocoder sorry for the typo, geocoder dot, we have a function called description underscore for underscore number. You just need to pass the object of the phone number, comma, the language code. It can be Japan, it can be English. Now it's in English now. So I'm saving the file and I'm clearing my screen again and running the same Python script, and here you go, it says India. So we have found out how to find the country of the phone number. Our next problem here is I have thousands of phone numbers stored in a file. How do I find the country of each one of them? Well, that's the topic for next video. So till that, please subscribe and stay connected. Thank you so much.